Hello students, how are you all? Myself Ankita Best, and today we are going to complete our chapter of English and classes 5th. Name of the chapter is The Wizard of Oz, Travel and Adventure. So student, let's start reading our chapter. We have completed 4 scenes. Now this one is scene number 5. Narrator. At long last the traveller come to the Emerald City. It is the most beautiful place that any of them has ever seen. Dorothy and her friends come to the palace of the great Wizard of the Oz. They walk up to the guard at the door and ask for the wizard. The guard leads them to a large room. The wizard is dressed in a long green robe and is seated on a marble throne. So let's see what happened next. Now wizard says, I am Oz the great wizard. Welcome. What brings you here? Dorothy. I want to go back to home to Kansas. The scarecrow. I would like some brains. The Tin Man. I need a heart. The Lion. I want courage. A Wizard of Oz with a serious face. I can help you only if you bring me the broomstick of the Wicked Witch of the West. So let's see what happened next. Dorothy. Oh, so we will have to travel once again. Let's go. Narrator. Guard gives the travelers direction to find the Wicked Witch of the West. They run as fast as they can. What happened in this scene? When Dorothy and her friends reach to the Wizard of Oz, he is unable to help them. He is able to help them only if he had the broomstick of Wicked Witch of the West. So, to get it, Dorothy and her friends travels once again to the Wicked Witch of the West. So let's see what happened next. Now this is scene number 6. Narrator. After some time, Dorothy, the lion and Toto feels very tired and decide to rest. They lie down on the soft grassland. In no time at all fall fast asleep while the Tin Man and the Scarecrow stand guard. The Wicked Witch of the West spots them from afar with her magical powers. So, let's see after spotting them what happened next. Wicked Witch of the West says, Who's that girl with silver shoes? She has 4 friends with her. I have only one eye, but it's as powerful as a telescope. Let us use my magical golden cap and summon my slaves, the winged monkeys. Go and get the girl with the silver shoes and capture her friends too. Narrator. The winged monkeys capture Dorothy and her friends and bring them to the Wicked Witch of the West. So what happened in this scene? The Wicked Witch of the West spotted Dorothy and her friends and captured them by the winged monkeys who are slaved of her. So let's see what happened next. Wicked Witch of the West says to Dorothy, Give me those shoes. Dorothy, no, they are mine. The Good Witch of the North gave me these shoes. Narrator. The Wicked Witch of the West tries to get the shoes off, but she can't. They are magic shoes and can only be removed if Dorothy wishes so. Wicked Witch of the West, if you don't give me your shoes, I'll kill your dog. Narrator. The witch reaches for Toto, who bites her hand. Wicked Witch of the West. Ouch! You all pay for this, you bad dog. Later, narrator. Dorothy sees a pail of water nearby, grabs it and throws the water on the Wicked Witch of the West. Instantly, the Wicked Witch gave a loud cry and began to melt. Soon she disappeared. The Winkies, the creature of the land, are happy because they are free from the Wicked Witch's spell. Dorothy. Look, the Wicked Witch broom is on the floor. Let's take it to the wizard. Narrator. Dorothy takes the golden cap and orders the winged monkeys to take them back to the Wizard of Oz. So what happened in this scene? In this scene, Dorothy killed the Wicked Witch of the West and ordered winged monkeys to take them back to the Wizard of Oz. So let's see what happened next. Now it's scene number 7. Narrator. Dorothy and her friends return to the wizard. Wizard. I'm happy to see you. Do you have the witch's broom? Dorothy. Yes, great wizard. Not only do we have the broom, we have also killed the Wicked Witch. Narrator. The news of the Wicked Witch's death spread throughout the Emerald City and there is great rejoicing. Dorothy to the wizard. Now will you help us, please? Wizard of Oz says, I am sorry, but I am not a wizard. I am just an ordinary man. But wait, I can do something. Scarecrow, I am filling your head with pins and needles. This will make you sharp. Tin Man, I am placing this heart-shaped clock inside you. Now you have a heart. Lion, take this saucer and drink the foul-tasting green liquid in it. You are brave to drink that. It's what I call real courage. Dorothy, I can't help you. Why don't you go to the Good Witch of the South? She may be able to help you get back to Kansas. Narrator. Dorothy and her friend set out once again to meet the Good Witch of the South. Now what happened in this scene? Dorothy and her friend get back to the Wizard of Oz. She says to help them, but Wizard said that he is an ordinary man, he can't help. But he placed pins and needles on the head of the Scarecrow to become sharp. He placed a heart-shaped clock inside the Tin Man. Now he has a heart. He gave a drink to Lion for courage. So let's see what happened next. So in this way he helped Dorothy's friend. But he is unable to help Dorothy. He said, you have to go to the Good Witch of the South. Maybe she can able to help you to get back to the Kansas. Now they travel to the Good Witch of the South. Let's see what happened next. The traveler reached the beautiful castle of Good Witch of the South. Good Witch of the South, how can I help you? Dorothy. I want to go back home to Kansas. Good Witch of the South. You could have gone back home a long time ago if you knew you had a magic with you. Dorothy. What do you mean? Good Witch of the South. The silver shoes will take you home. All you need to do is click your heels together 3 times. Dorothy. Really? I am so happy I can finally go back home. To the Good Witch of the South. Take this golden cap and thank you for your help. Come, Toto, clicking the heels of her shoes together 3 times, take me back to Kansas. Now she is ready to go back to her home. Good Witch of the South. Goodbye, Scarecrow. You will now rule over the Emerald City. Tin Man, you will rule over the Winkies, lion, you will rule over the beast in the forest. Narrator, soon Dorothy is back home. She is happy to back with her uncle and aunt, but know that she would never forget her wonderful adventures in the land of Oz. So, what happened in this scene? When Dorothy reaches the Good Witch of the South, she asks for help to get back her home. Then Good Witch of the South said that you always can go back to home if you knew that your shoes are magical. Tap 3 times your shoes and wherever you want you can go. Saying by this, Dorothy say goodbye to all, and after that the Good Witch of the South makes Scarecrow the ruler of Emerald City, Tin Man the